So we're going to look at how we turn fractions now into decimals and percentages. And the good news is it's basically the same system for both. So we're going to start by turning 3/8 into a decimal. And how do we do that? We do what the fraction is telling us. So what is the fraction saying to us? It's saying 3 divided by 8. So that's what we're going to do. So notice, for the most part, if you do one of these, unless you've got a top-heavy fraction, you're going to have the bigger number outside and the smaller number inside. So it's the bottom dividing into the top. So 8 into 3 doesn't go, but we should be expecting this because we're looking for a decimal answer. So we move the 3 across to make 30. So 8 into 30 go 3 times. 3 8s are 24, so we've got a remainder of 6. So 8s into 60, that's 7. 7 8s are 56, so that means we've got 4 left there. 8s into 40 go 5 times exactly. So 3/8 as a decimal is 0.375. Now if you want the percentage version, all you've got to now do is take your decimal and multiply it by 100. So that means everything's moving over 2 places, and so as a percentage it would be 37.5. So you can see that you get to your percentage in the same way as the decimal. You do the decimal bit first and then turn it into a percentage. So let's do a couple more examples. So 11/25, so that means we're doing 25 into 11. So 25 into 1 doesn't go, 25 into 11 doesn't go, but we weren't expecting it to because we were looking for a decimal. So we've got 11 left over here, so we're now looking at 25 into 110. So that goes 4 times. 4 25s are 100. So that means I've got 10 left over. So 25s into 100 goes 4 exactly. So 11/25 is 0.44, and as a percentage, multiply by 100 and we will get 44%. So one last time. So we're doing 6/7. So 7 on the outside into 6. 7 into 6 doesn't go. Weren't expecting it to. So 7's into 60, that goes 8 times with a remainder of 4. 7's into 40 goes 5 times with a remainder of 5. 7's into 50 goes 7 times with a remainder of 1. 7's into 10 goes once, and so on. So this is going to just keep going on and on. Typically you would normally just do it to 3 decimal places and perhaps round it back to 2 decimal places as an answer. It does depend obviously on the question you've been given. So assuming we were going to do that to 2 decimal places, the answer would be 0.86, and therefore as a percentage it would be 86% if we multiply by 100. So that's how we turn fractions into decimals.